Screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
So last lecture we have seen the product backlog estimation and how you can estimate the requirement, how you can estimate the efforts required to complete that particular release. So today we are going to cover the point that is planned product release. So when you have a agile methodology to develop a particular software or to develop a particular project by using a agile methodology, at that time you have to plan for the release. uh, why you have to plan for the release? Because you are giving the product, you are deliver the product within the sprint, means within each iteration you can add a new functionality, you can add the new feature into the particular product. So it is essential to have the plan for that particular product release. So what is that agile release planning? So what is that release planning? Why that release planning is required when you have or you adopt the methodology, that is agile methodology, to develop a particular software? When you follow a software development life cycle of agile, at that time it is very important to have a release planning. So agile release planning is a product management method where you plan incremental release of product. अभी यहाँ पे प्लानिंग करना क्यों ज़रूरी है व्हेन यू अडॉप्ट अजाइल मेथडोलॉजी? बिकॉज इन ईच इटरेशन, इन ईच स्प्रिंट, you are adding something to that particular product, something to that particular software when you adopt agile methodology. So when you adopt agile methodology, it give means it will have the incremental release, means फर्स्ट इटरेशन हो गया, फर्स्ट इटरेशन के बाद आप प्रोडक्ट देते हो, डिलीवर करते हो कस्टमर को, वो रिव्यू देता है, उसके बाद सेकंड इटरेशन चालू होता है, उसका रिव्यू के हिसाब से आप चेंज करते हो, वापस सेकंड इटरेशन में कुछ नई फंक्शनैलिटी ऐड करते हो। तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू रिलीज द कंप्लीट प्रोडक्ट, when there is incremental release, at that time you must know, you are in a position to know the release of that particular software, the date of release date of that particular software. So to know that release date, you must have the agile release planning. आपके पास प्लान होना चाहिए। हम इंक्रीमेंटल के साथ छोटा छोटा इंक्रीमेंट, सॉफ्टवेयर का इंक्रीमेंटल या इटरेशन या स्प्रिंट डेवलप करके यूज़र को दे रहे हैं। तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए ये पूरा प्रोडक्ट है, ये जो पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर है, कब रिलीज़ होगा, इसका वर्जन कब रिलीज़ होना हो सकता है। क्योंकि क्या होता है, जब हम अजाइल मेथोडोलॉजी फॉलो करते हैं, उस वक्त ऐसा नहीं होता है कि जो आपकी टीम है एक जगह पे सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप कर रही है। मोस्ट ऑफ इन द cases the software development are done at offshore, means ऑफशोर में टीम होती है, वो उनका काम करती है। कुछ टीम यहाँ पे इंडिया में होती है, वो कुछ काम करते हैं उस सॉफ्टवेयर के ऊपर। तो जब हम छोटा छोटा पुर्जे में, छोटे छोटे मॉड्यूल में हम जब काम करते हैं, तब इट इज़ the responsibility of that particular product manager to have the plan, means release plan of that particular product। क्योंकि agile में हम क्या करते हैं, इंक्रीमेंटल मॉड्यूल या जो हम छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट में हम डिलीवर करते हैं प्रोडक्ट इसको एंड यूज़र को। सो it is different from the traditional software planning where you focus on the major release। I mean, traditional, when you adopt the traditional methodology to develop a particular software, at that time you focus on a major release, क्योंकि उसमें इंक्रीमेंटल रिलीज आप नहीं करते हो प्रोडक्ट की, आप पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर बनाते हो, पूरा फेज कवर होने के बाद ही आप वो जो सॉफ्टवेयर है या जो प्रोडक्ट है दैट यू आर गोइंग टू रिलीज, और दैट प्रोडक्ट और दैट पर्टिकुलर सॉफ्टवेयर इज गोइंग टू डिलीवर टू दैट पर्टिकुलर end user or a customer. In agile release planning, you prepare for staggered release and then break those down into the several different sprint or the iteration. अभी ट्रेडिशनल में क्या होता है, पूरा प्रोडक्ट होने के बाद ही आप क्या करते हो, उसको रिलीज करते हो। बट यहाँ पे आपको ये करना पड़ता है कि ये पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर कब डेवलप होगा उसको आपको डिवाइड करना पड़ता है, उसको ईच इटरेशन में आपको छोटा छोटा पुर्जा इंक्रीमेंटल लेवल ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सॉफ्टवेयर यू हैव टू डिलीवर। सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू हैव द agile release planning. So it is depend on your team structure and the size of that particular project. If the your team is very big and that particular product size and that project size is very big, at that time you have to bifurcate the feature, you have to develop a small module, you have to assign that particular module to different team, and you have to assign a target to each and every team. कभी कभी क्या होता है, चार पांच टीम होती है, मीन्स एक बड़ी टीम होती है, आप छोटा छोटा फंक्शनलिटी डेवलप करने के लिए दो तीन छोटी छोटी टीम उसके अंदर ही बनाते हो, उनको असाइन करते हो जॉब। सो यू हैव टू गिव द टारगेट टू दैट पर्टिकुलर टीम मेंबर सो दैट they can do their work within that particular stipulated time period of time. So you may even have the several sprint running at the same time. अभी ये क्यों होता है, मीन्स यू हैव द सेवरल स्प्रिंट रनिंग एट अ सेवरल टाइम, मीन्स छोटा छोटा जो पुर्जा है, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कि आपके पास एक प्रोडक्ट है या एक सॉफ्टवेयर है जो आप डेवलप कर रहे हो अजाइल मेथडोलॉजी से, वो बड़ा सॉफ्टवेयर है, तो आप क्या करते हो, उस बड़े सॉफ्टवेयर को मीन्स बड़े सिस्टम को सब सिस्टम में डिवाइड करते हो। फॉर एग्जांपल एक बड़ा सिस्टम में उसको डिवाइड करते हो चार या पांच सब सिस्टम में, वो सब सिस्टम आप उस टीम को असाइन करते हो। मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल इफ देयर इज फोर सब सिस्टम एंड यू असाइन दैट फोर सब सिस्टम टू द team member, various team member who is working in a agile methodology or who is the part of that particular agile team. तो चारों जो टीम है वो काम करती है, उनका उनका जो छोटा छोटा पुर्जा है सॉफ्टवेयर का या छोटा छोटा मॉडल है उस सॉफ्टवेयर का वो डेवलप कर रहे हैं। सो you may have even have the several sprint running at the same time. A sprint end with the new product increment. जब वो स्प्रिंट एंड होती है तब आप क्या करते हो, यू added something in that particular sprint, you added something in after the end of each iteration of that particular agile methodology. फर्स्ट इटरेशन ख़त्म हो गया, उसके बाद आपने उसमें कुछ तभी ऐड किया होता है, यू हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड सम फंक्शनलिटी, you have implemented some feature in that particular software. So that's why a sprints end with a new product increment, but that may not mean a product release happen. But वो product release नहीं है, सो यू हैव टू प्लान अ प्रोडक्ट रिलीज। स्प्रिंट है, आप छोटा छोटा पुर्जा दे रहे हो, आप पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर या पूरा प्रोडक्ट कस्टमर को नहीं दे रहे हो। सो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट व्हेन you finish your work, when your all sprint will be cover, and you release that particular product to the end user or a customer. So when you have particular this approach, that will help you team adopt the unpredictable nature of software development, and it is an integral part of that particular software development life cycle when you follow the agile methodology. So release planning is a important structure tools, and especially for the team uh, which is new to the agile. When you have the particular team and that particular team is new to the agile, at that time you have to define, you must have the plan of release that particular product or release of that particular software. क्योंकि आप छोटे छोटे पुर्जे में जब सॉफ्टवेयर देते हो या छोटे छोटे स्प्रिंट डेवलप करते हो या इटरेशन डेवलप करके देते हो, तो आपको उस टीम को ये पता होना चाहिए कि पूरा हमें प्रोडक्ट कब और कौन से डेट को रिलीज करना है. सो दैट्स व्हाई दैट प्लानिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. अंडरस्टूड? यस.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ अजाइल रिलीज प्लानिंग. अभी इसका पर्पस क्या होता है या इसका पर्पस क्या है व्हेन यू हैव द अजाइल रिलीज प्लानिंग. सो the purpose of release planning within the agile methodology is to ensure the product is always moving in the right direction and the logical release are frequently happening. So you are in a position to know that whether that development is happening on or in a right direction or not when you have the release planning. जब आपके पास रिलीज प्लानिंग होती है, आपके पास वो डेट होती है कब हमें वो सॉफ्टवेयर या प्रोडक्ट हमें रिलीज करना है. एट दैट टाइम यू कैन ट्रैक द team, you can track the software development life cycle of that particular agile methodology. You can uh, track, you can monitor the each and every activity, you can monitor each and every sprint if your team is very big. अगर आपकी टीम बड़ी है, चार पांच टीम में काम हो रहा है, तो आप इजीली मॉनिटर कर सकते हो जब आपके पास रिलीज की डेट होंगी या आपके पास रिलीज का कुछ प्लान होगा. तो so you can compare the development of that particular software with your roadmap, whether it is moving in a correct direction or not. So a release plan outlines the immediate future release, but don't try to plan for years to come. It goes into the more detail than a product roadmap. That is the high level scope and the timeline. But an agile release plan doesn't outlook the work in each release. Instead, it batches iteration or sprint together into release. So when you adopt release methodology, at that time you are not release a whole product, but you have the roadmap, you have the milestone when and at which moment you have to release it iteration. So in batches iteration or sprint together into release. So old fashioned execute fear going agile means each version is a random collection of feature. A release plan ensures that you create a coherent version of your product every time, and it's a great tool for combining changes that will have a significant impact on the user experience. अभी जब आपके पास प्लान होता है, एट दैट टाइम you monitor each and every iteration and you observe that, and each and every iteration you implemented some new feature, and when you have that particular plan, at that time you observe that, and you can track on that particular team, have the track on that particular team, monitor that particular team, and release the product within the particular stipulated period of time. So this is the purpose of that particular release planning. So what is to discuss in an agile release planning meeting? So there is a different meeting you have to carry out when you have to plan for a particular release product. So agile release planning main objective is to identify the next batches or a minimal market features and establish a release desk. Discussion is in an agile release planning meeting must cover prioritizing the feature and functionalities for upcoming release. जैसे कि कुछ प्रोडक्ट होता है, if you have to update that particular product at that time in a meeting, you have to fix the priorities of that particular work you have to be carried out in the next release, है क्या नहीं? जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे कि आप व्हाट्सअप यूज़ करते हो, यू करंटली यूजिंग द पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट व्हाट्सअप. If that particular team has decided, WhatsApp team means developing team has decided to update some feature in WhatsApp. So you have to prioritize which feature you have to update. जैसे कि हम करंटली व्हाट्सअप यूज़ करते हैं, अभी व्हाट्सअप में कुछ नए नए फीचर क्या होते हैं, कभी ऐड हो जाते हैं. अभी करंटली पिछले 1-2 महीने में ऐड हो गया है फीचर, जैसे कि कुछ आपने मैसेज फॉरवर्ड किया तो कितने टाइम्स फॉरवर्ड हुआ है या मेनी टाइम्स फॉरवर्ड हुआ है, या आपको दिखाई देता है. अंडरस्टूड? जैसे कि ये भी दिखाई देता है आपको. बहुत सारे उन्होंने फीचर ऐड किए हैं उसमें व्हाट्सअप में. You can also link that particular device. So there are different features added in the WhatsApp. So when you have to plan to release a particular product or to update the feature in the currently using customer, so you have to prioritize the feature and functionalities for the upcoming release. Reviewing and incorporating gather feedback in upcoming sprint. uh, you have to review and gather the feedback in the upcoming sprint, articulate clear deliverables that state if the current sprint outcomes would be a product increment or a release. So deciding which product version get released to the market and the best order of this particular releases. So you have to decide हमें कौन सा वर्जन या कौन सा वर्जन मार्केट में हमें रिलीज करना है. So your development team may create the version that is 1.1, 1.12, 1.13, 1.2, 1.21, but only release the primary version to the user. Prioritizing the functional is crucial, as it is often the case that your team may not tackle all product requirement in one release. अभी प्रोडक्ट रिलीज मीटिंग में ये होता है कि हमें कौन सा रिलीज करना है. जैसे कि वो वर्जन डिक्लेयर करते हैं उनका, ये वर्जन 1.1 है, ये वर्जन 1.12 है, वर्जन 1.13 है. सो द function or the feature which have in the version 1.13, it is not available in the 1.12, that is the previous version. So you have to decide which version you have to release in the market. Or you have to only release the primary version to the user. So this has to be discussed in the release meeting. When there is a release meeting, you have to discuss all these things. Then prioritizing the functionalities is crucial, or it is important, as it is often the case that your team may not tackle all product requirement in one release. अभी कभी कभी कैसा होता है कि जैसे कि उस प्रोडक्ट का जितने भी रिक्वायरमेंट है वो पूरे टैकल नहीं होते हैं एक साथ. तो आप धीरे धीरे उस जितने भी आपने टैकल किए होते हैं या जितने भी आपने डेवलप किए होते हैं, उतने ही रिक्वायरमेंट या उतनी ही फंक्शनैलिटी आप वर्जन में वो रिलीज़ करते हो, पूरा एक साथ नहीं करते हो. अंडरस्टूड? जैसे कि कुछ फीचर हो गए, वो होने के बाद पूरे के पूरे, अगर एंड यूज़र ने, आपका जो ओनर है उस प्रोडक्ट का, उन्होंने बताया हमें ये फीचर ऐड करने हैं, दिस इज़ 5 फीचर हमें अपडेट करने हैं या ऐड करने हैं उस प्रोडक्ट में. पर कभी कभी क्या होता है, तीन ही फीचर आपके हो जाते हैं, तब आप मीटिंग में डिसाइड करते हैं इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्जन यू हैव टू रिलीज दिस पर्टिकुलर features in this particular version only. So it may happen all features will not tackle or all requirement is not tackle in a one release. So That's why you have to create the version that is 1.1, 1.12, 1.13. So this way you can release the particular product or a software. Product and project managers can use the agile release planning meeting to keep their teams and stakeholder on the same page and generate more buy-in for the product vision. So when you can release this particular product or software in the version, and product and project manager can use the agile release planning meeting to keep their teams and the stakeholder on the same page. So who should oversee the agile release plan? Also, when you are working in agile methodology, at that time you have to see who should oversee the agile release plan, who will take the responsibility when there is a different team working in a different countries on the same product. तो उसका प्लान कौन करेगा ये भी आपको देखना पड़ता है इन दैट पर्टिकुलर रिलीज मीटिंग. द प्रोडक्ट ओनर एंड द प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर ओवरसीज अजाइल रिलीज प्लानिंग एंड मैनेजर्स द स्प्रिंट and the product backlog to ensure continue alignment with the overall product vision. So, the particular product owner, product manager, oversees agile release planning, and the managers the sprint and the product backlog to ensure continue alignment with the overall product vision. So you have to align all the team member. You have to align if that particular product is developed and in different countries, uh, in a different team, so you have to align all these things. So it is important to include the essential member of your development team early in the release planning process to leverage their expert types, perspective and experience. So without your team input, you run the risk of creating a roadblock instead of a road map. So it is very important to include the member who are working in the development team. They know how the development is in progress and within how how many days it required to develop that particular feature or to implement that particular feature into the particular product. So it is important to include the essential member in your development team. So this is particular happens in that particular release meeting. So next topic, that is what is the difference between the release plan and a roadmap. So release plan and the roadmap. A roadmap is what means you have to see which particular product or which iteration is going to develop, and when that particular development will be happen, whether that particular development will do on clear time or within that particular stipulated time or not. You have to see that is a roadmap. And release plan means what? When that particular each and iteration will finish, and when you are going to release that particular product, so that the end user or the customer can use that particular product. That is a release plan. So this is the difference between the release plan and the roadmap. The product roadmap and release plan are the two related project management tools with distinct product development process. The product roadmap contains the high level requirement broke up into the release plan. Means in a product roadmap, if there is a different requirement, there is a huge requirement, there is a large requirement in a product requirement, you can you can break up that particular requirement into that particular release plan. While release plan implement the product roadmap derived from the product vision. So typical agile framework drill down the product vision to action plan following the step below. Product vision, product roadmap, release plan, sprint plan, and daily stand up. So this is the action plan, product vision to action plan that have the different step, that is product product vision, product roadmap, release plan, sprint plan, and daily stand up. So the roadmap is where the product vision meets strategy, and the release plan is where product tasks and release dates are managed and executed. So this is the main difference between the roadmap and the particular release plan. So you could say product roadmap depict your product plan future, and release plan detail how your team intends to achieve the product vision in a iterative cycle. So the most crucial step in the agile release planning is conducting sprint retrospective. So sprint retrospective is nothing but it is about identifying the areas of improvement to make next sprint better. That is a sprint retrospective. So it is very crucial step, or it is say this is the important step in agile release planning to conduct the sprint retrospective. sprint retrospective क्या है, को आपको देखना पड़ता है कि किस एरिया में आप बेटर कर सकते हो। जैसे कि नेक्स्ट प्रिंट है वो बेटर हो जाए, नेक्स्ट जो इटरेशन है वो बेटर हो जाए, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ स्प्रिंट रिट्रोस्पेक्टिव. So the feedback from the retrospective session helps team improve their process for the future sprint and see better result quickly. So best practices for agile release planning. So this is the best practice for the agile release planning. So that particular planning varies between from organization to organization, but the general elements remain the same. If you are working on a software development project, ensure that your software release plan include product requirement analysis, date and proposed release. Means when you have the release plan, it should be there. प्रोडक्ट रिक्वायरमेंट एनालिसिस किया है क्या नहीं, कितने दिन लगने वाले हैं उस रिक्वायरमेंट को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए, कौन सी टीम या कितने लोग हैं टीम में काम करने वाले, ये रिक्वायरमेंट यो जो आपका फीचर है इस इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे विद इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड और नॉट. So you have to see all this particular thing. So every working, or if you are working on a software development project, ensure that your software release plan include project requirement analysis, date of proposed release, plans for each product और incremental release. जैसे कि हम स्प्रिंट में इटरेशन में रिलीज करते हैं, स्प्रिंट में रिलीज करते हैं प्रोडक्ट. सो यू मे हैव द प्लान फॉर each product or incremental release. Subsequent iterative cycle for the release, there are the different subsequent cycle or iterative cycle for the release. Then plan for each iterative cycle. You must have the plan for each iteration. जैसे कि if you are plan for 5 iteration and you have to release that particular product within the 4 to 5 weeks, so you must have the plan for each iterative cycle. कौन सा इटरेशन कितने दिन में ख़त्म होने वाला है, उसके ऊपर कौन सा टीम मेंबर काम करने वाले हैं. यू मस्ट हैव द प्लान. फीचर और फंक्शनलिटी डेवलपमेंट विथ एन इटरेटिव साइकिल. सो इच इटरेशन में कौन से फीचर आप उसमें इम्प्लीमेंट करने वाले हो वो आपको पहले ही प्लान करना पड़ेगा. Task necessary to successfully deliver a feature. What are the different tasks you have to necessary to follow that particular task so that you can deliver a particular feature. So you have to see all these particular things. Then proofing and approval procedure. What are the approval procedure? So these are included in a software release plan. So these particular steps are included in a software release plan. So careful planning combined with an iterative schedule increases your chances of success. So if you plan all these things very correctly or very carefully, so if you uh, plan all these things very carefully uh, and combined with an iterative schedule, increase your chances of success. It will increase your chances of success. So your release planning system must be nimble to adapt to change and act on data and feedback. Stay open to reprioritizing project tasks to provide maximum value to your customer. Other best practice for agile release planning include, so there are some of the different practices for agile release planning that will include establishing the measurable goal that describe the outcomes of the or benefit of your product should create. जैसे कि कुछ आप ऐसे भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो कि आप यू कैन estimating the measurable goal. You can estimate the measurable goal that describe the outcomes or benefit your product should create. Determining the work to be done by getting a rough or high level estimate from your development team. So if you have the team, so from that particular team you may have the rough idea, you may have the rough idea or high level estimation from your development team when a particular functionality will be implemented in that particular सॉफ्टवेयर कब कौन सी फंक्शनैलिटी आप इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे, कौन सी इटरेशन में क्या करोगे, कितना देर लगने वाली है, आप यू कैन हैव दिस पर्टिकुलर रफ आइडिया फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर डेवलपमेंट टीम. Estimating the labor cost required by considering your team members availability and the abilities. Also you can estimate the cost required to implement that feature of what the skill your team have, a particular team member have. Then also you can see your team members availability and the abilities and the skills which is required to implement particular things on the particular software or a project. Understanding and the working within your constraint, taking notes of any hard deadlines or budget limitations. Monitoring progress from the sprint to sprint and making adjustment as needed. So you have to monitor the progress from sprint to sprint, from iteration to iteration. जैसे कि एक इटरेशन में फर्स्ट इटरेशन हो गया, फर्स्ट इटरेशन में क्या आपने कौन सा काम हुआ है एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट विच इज स्पेसिफाई बाय द एंड यूज़र और customer. So you have to monitor the progress from sprint to sprint or from iteration to iteration and making adjustment as needed. Making data driven decision based on actionable feedback. You have to making the data driven decision based on the actionable feedback. Setting a clear expectation between the invested stakeholder and the development team. So you have to set the clear expectation between instead stakeholders and the development team. Scheduling a regular road mapping session as a part of your sprint review meeting. So you have to schedule, you have to monitor the road mapping session as part of your sprint review meeting. In sprint review meeting में आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि जैसा हमने रोड मैप बनाया है उस हिसाब से काम हो रहा है या नहीं हुआ है. Updating relevant stakeholders. Also you have to update the relevant stakeholder about the particular progress of that particular software or progress of that particular release plan. Ensure your release plan align with your product roadmap to provide the continuity of purpose. जैसे कि आपको ये भी देखना पड़ेगा कि what you roadmap, what you have your roadmap, whether it is aligned with your product or not. So you have to ensure your release plan align with your product roadmap to provide a continuity of purpose, ensuring that each release build on the before. So you have to ensure that each and every iteration will be built within a particular time. What you have decided, what you have scheduled. So according to that particular schedule or a roadmap, that build has to be developed before or on that particular date only. So you have to think all these particular things. Understood this point, that is difference between the release plan and a roadmap. Next, what is agile release planning? So agile release planning is an approach to product management that take into account the intangible and flexible nature of software development. As a part of this approach, team plan iterative sprint across incremental release. So instead of trying to develop every proposed feature in one large refinement project, the agile software development lifecycle break down the development process into stages called a release. जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा when you have the traditional methodology to develop a particular software, at that time you can release that particular software or product having all the feature installed, having all the feature implemented in that particular product according to the requirement of end customer. बट आजा रिलीज प्लानिंग में क्या करना पड़ता है आपको, वो फीचर जितने भी हैं उसको ब्रेक डाउन करना पड़ता है और छोटे छोटे फीचर इम्प्लीमेंट करके आपको रिलीज करना पड़ता है. Instead of trying to develop every proposed feature in one large refinement project, the agile software development lifecycle break down the development process into the stages, that is called release. So in this context, releases are essentially periods of time set apart to work on a limited scope of the overall project. An agile release plan maps out how and when features will be released and deliverable to user. जैसे कि आपने ट्रेडिशनल मेथड देखा होगा, तो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड या वाटरफॉल मॉडल में क्या होता है, जितने भी फीचर होते हैं, जितना भी यूज़र का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, वो सब इम्प्लीमेंट करके आप क्या करते हो, वो रिलीज़ करते हो. बट आजाइल में क्या करना पड़ता है आपको, फर्स्ट इटरेशन में कौन से फीचर इम्प्लीमेंट हो गए, सेकंड स्प्रिंट में या सेकंड इटरेशन में कौन से फीचर इम्प्लीमेंट होंगे, आपको ये सब देखना पड़ता है. दैट इज द आजाइल रिलीज प्लानिंग. So by scheduling a project into agile release, project managers can better manage the project's constraint and adapt to evolving needs or challenges that arise through the development stages, while regularly producing product deliverables for the end user. If there are different challenges, if there are something happen uh, at the time of development, at that time you can means solve that particular problem and try to solve that particular challenges in the every release, in the each and every iteration of that particular project, if you follow the agile methodology. So this is about the agile release planning. agile में क्या होता है, आपको कौन से स्प्रिंट में या कौन से इटरेशन में कौन से फीचर इंप्लीमेंट करने वाले हैं, इसकी प्लान करनी पड़ती है। वैसे ट्रेडिशनल में आपको करना नहीं पड़ता है कि आप ट्रेडिशनल में क्या करते हो, पूरे फीचर एक साथ ही कस्टमर को देते हो, थोड़ा थोड़ा पुर्जा या थोड़ा थोड़ा मॉडल कस्टमर को नहीं देते हैं और उनसे रिव्यू भी नहीं लेते हैं। अंडरस्टूड? यस, अंडरस्टूड। कोमल, आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अजल में क्या होता है, आपको देखना पड़ता है कि कौन से इटरेशन में आप कौन से फीचर इम्प्लीमेंट करने वाले हैं या कस्टमर को क्या देने वाले हैं, कौन से फीचर इम्प्लीमेंट होंगे फर्स्ट रिलीज के बाद, फर्स्ट प्रिंट के बाद। वैसे जो ट्रेडिशनल मेथोडोलॉजी है या वाटरफॉल मेथोडोलॉजी है, उसमें आप देखते नहीं हो, आप पूरा ही फीचर जो जो भी कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट है, सारे फीचर इंस्टॉल होने के बाद ही, सारे फीचर कंप्लीट होने के बाद ही आप वो रिलीज़ करते हो ट्रेडिशनल। बट आजाइल में कौन से इटरेशन में कौन सा फीचर या कौन सा फंक्शनलिटी इंप्लीमेंट होने वाली है, आप ये देखते हो। दैट इज आजाइल रिलीज प्लानिंग। अंडरस्टूड? व्हाट इज आजाइल रिलीज प्लानिंग? अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
So by scheduling a project into the agile release, product managers can better manage product constraint and adapt to evolving need or challenges that arise through the development stage while regularly producing product deliverable for each for the end user. So element of the product release map. What are the elements of प्रोडक्ट रिलीज मैप? अभी कौन से एलिमेंट है जो आपको देखने पड़ेंगे व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू रिलीज द पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट? सो डिस्पाइट इट नेम्स, agile release planning is highly structured, वो हाईली स्ट्रक्चर होता है उसका agile release प्लानिंग का। तो you have to take each and every step very carefully. You have to outline and measure to create the high level project calendar for the team to follow. You have to make the calendar to you have to follow that particular calendar by having the discussion with the team member, and you aware the particular team member to follow that particular calendar and um develop the particular product according to that particular calendar or a schedule. So that release map will vary slightly between the organization, but the general element will include the proposed release for the product, कौन से रिलीज करने वाले हैं, व्हाट आर द प्रपोज रिलीजेस फॉर द पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट, प्लान फॉर ईच रिलीज, हर रिलीज का प्लान होता है, subsequent iteration for the release, plan for each iteration, feature development within an iteration, what are the different features you are going to develop within the particular iteration. So you have the plan for all these things, individual tasks necessary to deliver a feature, what are the different tasks a particular team member has to carry out when you are going to deliver a particular feature, when you are going to deliver a particular iteration. So this level of planning combined with an iterative schedule to account for the dynamic nature of software, so is what makes agile product development so valuable. So the iterative release schedule gives a team the space to make the course correction without dealing the entire project. So while the detailed roadmap and focus on the planning stage ensure everyone is on the same page. So how to create your agile release plan? So define your vision. Step first. define your vision. You have to define the your vision. So one of the most important step in the planning process is to define the vision of your product. What is the vision of your product? The vision will guide the subsequent decision on which feature to prioritize. जब आपको आपकी प्रोडक्ट की विजन पता है तो आप ये डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि कौन से फीचर प्रायोरिटाइज है, कौन से फीचर हमें प्रायोरिटी हमें इम्प्लीमेंट करने हैं, where to focus efforts and resources, and how to adopt it if the project requires adjustment during the development. So you may need to consult with the executives or other high level stakeholders to ensure your vision align with both the market and the organization's overall objective. सो आपको आपका विजन डिफाइन होना चाहिए, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि प्रोडक्ट का विजन क्या है या प्रोडक्ट हमने क्यों बनाया है। तो उससे आप कौन से फीचर आपको प्रायोरिटी आपको इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हो ये भी आपको देखना पड़ेगा। रैंक द प्रोडक्ट बैकलॉग। इफ देर इज अ number of backlog are spending, so you have to rank the product backlog according to the your vision, according to how you can align the product vision with a product backlog. सो आपको देखना पड़ेगा आपका विजन क्या है, प्रोडक्ट का विजन क्या है, और उसमें से प्रोडक्ट बैकलॉग में से कौन सा बैकलॉग दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो यू हैव टू डेवलप, यू हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट दैट product backlog first. You have to give the priorities to that particular product backlog and map out the user stories. So user stories are the user centered description of the proposed the functionality or a feature. So during this step the product manager should outline the basic scrum release plan or a roadmap that include the release goal, release target date, and the ranked user stories. So you have to rank the product backlog. कौन सा हमें रैंक देना पड़ेगी, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट सबसे ऊपर होना चाहिए, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बैकलॉग नीचे होना चाहिए. मीन्स यू हैव टू गिव द प्रायोरिटीज to that particular product backlog. Then hold a release planning meeting. Means once the overall product vision and release map are outlined, it is time to gather all the stakeholders together in a Scrum release planning meeting to review the proposed plan and add to or edit the plan as needed. So आपको प्लानिंग मीटिंग होल्ड करने पड़ेगी, सब स्टेक होल्डर को बुलाना पड़ेगा. आप अगर इसमें कुछ ऐड करना चाहते हो, कुछ एडिट करना चाहते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू the requirement or according to the plan as needed, and align on the product delivered. So these steps ensure everyone is on the same page regarding the strategy and the collaboration before diving into the project. A basic agenda will include the following action, that is review roadmap. आपको रोड मैप रिव्यू करना पड़ेगा. देन रिव्यू द आर्किटेक्चर, यू हैव टू रिव्यू द पर्टिकुलर आर्किटेक्चर प्लान, technical details of that particular release. So this is the time to discuss any new information that could affect the release plan. Review the velocity and the iteration schedule. In how many days, or in velocity means how you can release the particular version, that is the velocity. मीन्स कितने दिनों में आप उसका नेक्स्ट वर्जन रिलीज करने वाले हो. दैट इज you have to review the velocity and the iteration schedule of that particular product. Establish the definition of done for the release. As a group, review the decide on the definition of done for any given release. So in other words, what are the acceptance criteria across user stories in the release. जैसे कि आप कुछ रिलीज़ करते हो, नया प्रोडक्ट रिलीज़ करना चाहते हो, नए फीचर रिलीज़ करने चाहते हो, तो उसके लिए एक्सेप्टेंस क्राइटेरिया क्या होना चाहिए. सो यू हैव टू थिंक ऑल दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. देन फाइनलाइज द finalize and share the product release calendar. आपको you have to plan for the calendar, you have to make the calendar, you have to finalize and share that particular release calendar with the stakeholder, with everyone in the particular team. So everyone should have the ongoing access to the release plan for reference and update. The Scrum release plan will help the team stay focused on the right task at the right time. If you have the team, if you have the calendar, if you view that particular release calendar, at that time that particular development team can focus on the right tasks to be completed within the particular stipulated of time and implemented that particular feature into the project. Because agile release plan have such a significant impact on the further success of a project, so it is important to create the clear timeline and process flow that all stakeholders can access. Use a visual workspace like Lucy chart and a craft implementive and clear Scrum release plan for the more efficient and effective development. So agile release plan example, जैसे कि agile release plan are standard in a project management team regardless of the company sector. However, you can find the best agile release plan example in the software development industry, so where product are typically deliver in the version. जैसे कि agile plan release plan के example जैसे कि ट्विटर है, ट्विटर ने भी बहुत सारे फंक्शनल वो कंटिन्यूसली अपडेट करती है या इम्प्लीमेंट करती है. सो दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली एडिंग अ न्यू फीचर, that is Twitter. They constantly adding a new feature and functionalities based on the user feedback and the product goal. जैसे कि प्रोडक्ट जो कि यूज़र के जो फीडबैक आता है उस हिसाब से ट्विटर भी क्या करते हैं, उनके कुछ फंक्शनलिटी ऐड करते हैं उनके प्रोडक्ट में. सो in 2021 alone, Twitter has announced several incremental changes in its product roadmap, including the newsletter, communities, and audio spaces. So these particular features have been added by the Twitters, while some organizations prefer on-time big release, one-time big release. Uh, Other push release on a steady periodic basis. Companies can choose to push a release that at the end of every sprint or batch, then until after a few iterations. So you may decide to do in a annually, quarterly, monthly, or an ad hoc basis. Also, you can release a particular product according to the feedback of your customer. जैसे कि आपने व्हाट्सएप पे भी देखा होगा, बहुत सारे उसमें फीचर अभी ऐड हुए हैं, है कि नहीं. आप देख सकते हो कि फॉरवर्डेड मैसेज है, कितनी बार वो फॉरवर्ड हुआ है, या बहुत सारे फीचर उन्होंने भी अभी ऐड किया है. सो दिस इज द दैट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ द रिलीज प्लान. अंडरस्टूड. यस. वैष्णवी, फिजा, फिजा, वैष्णवी, कोमल.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
today we will stop here. Tomorrow we will finish this chapter. देन हमारा फिफ्थ चैप्टर शुरू हो जाएगा. ठीक है. वी हैव ओनली 6 चैप्टर. विद इन 10 days वी विल फिनिश अवर syllabus. Okay. Yes. So shall I stop here? रुकना है अभी यहाँ पे. So today we will stop here. Tomorrow we will meet. Okay. Till then, have a nice day.